Hi everyone, my name is Marilyn and I'm a photographer / creative director based in Los Angeles, California. Shooting portraits is my specialty, and in this video, I'll be sharing my process on how to create captivating low light portraits from a little bit of help with Candlelight and the camera that's always closest to me, my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Candles make great photographic props, but sometimes can be a challenge to shoot because the light source is so minimal. My goal is to take advantage of high contrast environments and also incorporate simple tools to bring in more depth. Because we're using fire in this photo shoot, I'm gonna have a fire extinguisher on set just in case. For this first scene, I'm using Candlelight. If I change the position of the candle, I'll drastically change the mood. Light coming from below makes her look kind of eerie, but I want her to look softer, so I'm gonna put the candle at eye level. Her skin is evenly lit and it's giving her a really nice glow. I'm using Pro Mode to control how much light I want in the shot. For a sharp image, I use the lowest ISO possible and rely more on my shutter speed. If your shutter is lower than 1/60th, then it's best to use a tripod to keep your shots from getting blurry. In this second scene, I'm gonna add another layer of depth into my frame by using a second light source in the background. If you don't have pre-existing lights in your atmosphere, you could just use an RGB flashlight. For this particular shot, I'm switching over to Expert RAW. It's important that I use Expert RAW because I need that 16-bit RAW file. I really want to reserve as much information as possible in my photo so that I have more dynamic range to play with in post. I want this last scene to be extra epic, so I'm going to add another layer into the scene using atmospheric aerosol. If you don't have this, you could just use incense. As smoke travels through light, it'll spread the light even further, carrying all of its color too. It's a really unique texture that automatically makes your photos way more striking. And we can even take it one step further and use the Samsung Galaxy S22 professional camera lens filter. This allows me to use any 72mm lens filter, and so I'm going to use my DSLR star filter with my S22 Ultra. Look how dreamy all my photos come out. By getting creative with minimal lighting, adding depth with texture, and using the right modes on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, we were able to capture visually stunning candlelight portraits. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Marilyn and these are my shots.